This is my review of this ice hockey game. We actually got it out and we're playing it on this small table. So it has an uneven surface, but the kit actually comes with these smooth adhesive discs. So you can use it so that the suction cups on the goals will adhere nicely. Additionally, it comes with a rope that makes a bumper, and it also even comes with a little Phillips head screwdriver so that you can put your batteries in. It just takes 2 AA batteries. It makes a very soft sound, and as you can see, it's already wanting to move about. So we had fun even just checking it out, and I think it would be fun for younger children as well as adolescents.